Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy, simple remedy that you can use on your skin to get rid of hyperpigmentation, to hydrate the skin, to keep your skin looking younger and fresher, and boost the collagen production in the skin. This is a simple serum that anyone can whip up in their kitchen. So if you're looking for amazing looking skin, don't go away, continue watching the video for full recipe. Our first ingredient is aloe vera gel, and today we're using store-bought aloe vera gel, 100% pure aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. It will help to hydrate the skin. It is good for sunburn. It is good for dull skin. And also aloe vera gel will help to shrink large pores. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. For this recipe, you can also choose to use the store-bought aloe vera gel. And we're going to scoop this in my little jar. You're going to need a small jar with a tight cover. And once this is done, we're going to reach for our second ingredient. And here I have some sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is one oil that can penetrate deep into the epidermis. It will help to plump the skin up. However, it is very hydrating to the skin. It contains vitamin E, which will help to nourish the skin and keep your skin soft and supple. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of the sweet almond oil. You can substitute the sweet almond oil with some grapeseed oil or any oil that is rich in vitamin E and also of vitamin A. Now we are going to mix this together. And we are gonna mix well. Now once this is done, guys, we're gonna set this aside for about 2 hours or so. Just let the 2 ingredients infuse together, and then this is ready to use on your skin. This facial serum is good to use AM or PM. However, I prefer to use this at night, where I could massage it on my skin and let it sit on my skin overnight. Use this every day for best result. Before you know it, your skin will look fresher, free from wrinkles and fine lines, free from dark spots and blemishes, and most of all, you will achieve a natural glow once used on a regular. The way I like to use this oil, I like to use it on my jawline, especially for those with sagging jawline. This is amazing. I also like to use it on my neck and décolleté, and I also like to use it on my forehead, where I tend to get forehead wrinkles, and also on the crow's feet.